Okay, friends and colleagues, thanks for having subscribed to the MUCIAN lifestyle channel. Thanks for being part of this wonderful channel, and I love you all and endeavor to see that if you find this video helpful and teaching, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this wonderful YouTube channel then, so that we may happen to keep in touch. Okay, so besides that, in this last video, that is our third part, we are going to be looking at how to install these fonts that we've downloaded into our software. Okay, so let's assume we are contented with the different fonts that we've happened to download. Okay, we add on maybe this one and we try out several fonts. So after getting contented with everything that we've downloaded, so the next thing is, at least you make sure that none of your projects are basically open, because after, we will have to first reopen our software again, because if we don't do that, it basically means that they won't show up, because originally it was open when they are not there. So you can pass here, you can open a folder here. I showed you in the other parts of the video how to pass here. You just click on this folder where we see show. Are you seeing when I point here, it brings show in a folder. You can click there, or you can click on any folder on your computer. Then from there you go to downloads. Then you look for your different fonts. Then after that, you just right click. If you have no zip, if you have no WinRAR, you make sure that you get WinRAR on your computer, if at all you are using Windows. So we come here, we can say extract here. So when we press extract here, so usually most of the time they don't include passwords, So when it comes here, it comes in a folder, so bright home. So when you click in it, you just double click on it. So when you double click on it, it brings this, then you click install. Okay, so that is how you install. So with that, it goes directly to Windows. Then after that, you go to another font. You also right click and say extract here. So the moment it shows up here, you double click on it, this shows up, then you click install. Okay, so that is the first method. Let me hope at least all of us have got it. Then on our third design, so we are going to be using another method. Let us extract this here. We extract the other one also. Extract here. Okay, then we also get this one also, wedding font, and we also say extract. Yes, all. Okay, terms of use. So some of these fonts are basically commercial, so you should also look at that. So we cut this, or we get these, all of these ones, drag them, place them there, drop them in that folder, drop them in that folder. Then we double click on it, and we don't want this. Okay, so we get these fonts, we Ctrl X, cutting them, that is cutting. Then we go to C, that is the hard drive or local disk with our Windows. Then we go to Windows, then we go to fonts. Okay, where we see an A, then fonts. So we double click on it, so it opens up. It is going to open up. It includes a lot of fonts in it. So we are going to paste, but as we paste, you are going to see where it is going to see replace, because remember we had installed some of them. Okay, we had installed some of them, right? So let us wait for it to load. Okay, then like after loading, we right click and click place. Okay, are you seeing this? So we say yes. Okay, so it replaces. Everything. Okay, now from there we are going to be opening our software to see, did we happen to install them, or the fonts we installed, are they there? So we like click the software to open, then we look at them and maybe we try using them and see. Okay, so maybe to save time as it loads, let me stop this video, then I will show you within the software, like after it doing what, having like opened up, and then you happen to see what we like created or we managed to create, or if at all they worked, if they didn't work. Okay, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and leave a comment or a thumbs up.